Is Samsung finally going all in on Qualcomm for its next foldable phone? A new Geekbench leak suggests the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will only come with the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and that could be a huge win for fans. Let's break it down. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 just showed up again on Geekbench, this time as the Korean version, model number SM-F966N. What's interesting is that it's using the special Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. This is the same overclocked chip powering Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. It's fast, powerful, and built specifically for Samsung devices. So far, no Exynos variant has been spotted for the Fold 7, and that's very telling. Now, if you've been keeping up, you might know that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to have a dual-chip approach, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite in some countries, and Samsung's own Exynos 2500 in others. But it looks like Samsung is giving the Galaxy Z Fold 7 the full Snapdragon treatment everywhere. That's great news, especially since early rumors say the Exynos 2500 might not perform as well as Qualcomm's chip. Back to the Geekbench leak. It showed the Fold 7 with two major CPU cores running at 447 GHz, which confirms its right, the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite. The phone scored 2,717 in single-core and 9,369 in multi-core performance. But keep in mind, this probably isn't the final version of the phone. These early numbers usually get better as the software and hardware are finalized, so we can expect higher scores when the phone officially launches. What else do we know? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to look pretty similar to last year's Fold 6, but with some solid refinements. Leaks suggest Samsung is working on reducing the crease in the foldable display, making the bezels thinner, and adjusting the screen ratio for a better experience when the phone is closed. There are also rumors of a titanium backplate, which would make the phone feel more premium and durable. And one leaked image shows the Fold 7 in a new color, something called icy blue. Camera-wise, we could see a major upgrade. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to include a 200-megapixel main sensor, making it one of the most powerful foldable cameras out there. On the software side, the phone is expected to launch with One UI 8, and it might have a slightly improved battery life, although the battery itself is still expected to be 4400 mAh. A's for when we'll see the phone? Most sources say Samsung is aiming for an early July launch. And that event might include more than just the Fold 7. We could also get the Galaxy Z Flip 7, a budget-friendly Flip 7 FE version, and even a first look at Samsung's triple-folding phone, which might be called the Galaxy G Fold. Competition in the foldable world is heating up fast. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will go up against the Oppo Find N5, Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and Honor's upcoming Magic V5. And yes, even Apple is reportedly working on its own foldable phone, but that won't be ready until at least late 2026. So, with all this power, design improvements, and global Snapdragon support, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a serious contender for the best foldable of the year. Are you excited for Samsung's next big foldable? Let us know what you think. In the comments, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this.